what is the note business, right? I mean, what were you actually buying? Give it, a clarity around, what it is.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's, where you can actually, it's investing in debt, right? But this is like a high end collection, because it's the house is secured. The collateral is the property, and if the borrower don't pay, you can take the property. Our model is if we foreclose, we fail. We always want to work something out with the borrower and keep them in the house. I think that's the best exit strategy is through the borrower. Just from my KPIs and everything I look at, most of our successful returns have been working with the borrower. So we kind of pride ourselves on staying on that. But yeah, you can actually, when we came into the space, pricing was great. And I believe it's shifting back into a buyer's market now. There's a lot more trades coming out than what it used to be. But we were able to get and still able to get loans at a discount and basically share our discount with the homeowner. That's the greatest feeling, man, when you actually can add value down the line, keep the homeowner in the house, share your discount with them, and make a profit. So we were very excited about that. So if you just look at it, you're buying debt for, percentage of a dollar, and you're able to rework it and recapitalize off that. So if we would make a trade, our goal would be to recapitalize a certain percentage of our spend, pay down some of our principal back to our investors, and then, work the debt from there. And yeah, I mean, performing notes, non-performing notes, I would definitely say now if you get into the space, starting off on a performing side is more regulated than it was before. So starting off on a performing side may be a little bit better. If you're new, of course, it's a little bit more expensive, but you can see the cash flow right away. I mean, if you have time in your hands, especially second mortgages, it's a business. You gotta like roll your sleeves up and get busy. Managing vendors, it's a lot. It's a lot of work. I mean, I love real estate though, so I have a passion for it. So it's not really work to me. I'm obsessed with it. So anything that you're obsessed about or have a passion about, it's not work. It becomes, something that's you enjoy doing.